We originally started Retro Designs as a motorsports fabrication shop. From there, we grew it over the years. Every year, we added more people and more square footage to our shop. We started building traditional hot rods. From there, we moved on to the muscle cars, and today we pretty much do any kind of Restomod. Recently, we built the Porsche 911, a couple C2 Corvettes, and some K5 Blazers. And today, I'm going to introduce you to our latest project. When we started this build, we knew we wanted to keep the engine and transmission in the Mercedes family. So we reached out to our local Mercedes dealership and asked them, what do you have for a crate engine that we can buy that's brand new, still comes with a Mercedes warranty? They offered us a 5.4 liter V8 M113. That engine originally came in a 06 C55 AMG. Comparing that to a stock inline six that was originally in this vehicle, that's 4 times more the horsepower that this vehicle originally came with. We paired the engine with the Mercedes 5-speed 722.6 transmission. Why we chose this 5-speed transmission is the footprint of the actual transmission is pretty small, so that way we didn't have to modify the tunnel, retaining the factory feel inside the car. When we first uncrated the engine and transmission, sitting next to the car, it looked huge. But once we started actually fitting the engine into the engine bay, the actual footprint of the engine fit the factory engine bay perfectly. We didn't have to modify the tunnel, firewall, or any of the inner aprons. While this car does great at slower speeds and city driving, you can definitely feel that the car is eager to go once you get in the driver's seat. Behind me, I have our latest build, this 1969 Mercedes 280 SE. Like all of our builds, we did a full assessment of the vehicle in its original state. From there, we nailed down to the color, interior finishes, and just the overall design of the vehicle. We knew that we wanted to keep the exterior as close as possible to factory. The only thing that we've changed on it was we wanted to shave the sunroof. We chose Irish Green for an exterior finish. We decided that this color is very classic looking, timeless, and we wanted this car to look good 10 years down the road and not be dated. We wanted the original hubcap looking wheel, but we knew we wanted to run a bigger, larger wheel than the factory. So Evo Design came with this beautiful design. They designed these billet wheels to look like factory hubcaps. They also incorporated a floating Mercedes emblem. So as the car moves, the Mercedes emblems always stay upright. Once the vehicle is out of our paint shop, it went to our assembly shop, and that's where we designed the interior. We kept the same theme from the exterior. We wanted to keep it as original looking as possible, but give it that Restomod feel. We also made all custom door panels with some accent lighting built in. The factory dash in these Mercedes is very elegant and just good looking. So we wanted to retain all of the factory looks. We went with Dakota Digitals. We sent them the original Mercedes gauges where they replicated them and made some modern gauge that fit the vehicle. We restore all the wood panels. All the chrome was restored when the exterior of the body was done. And then we added a modern stereo system as well. To go along with the Restomod system, we knew we had to upgrade the heating and air conditioning from the original 1969. So for that, we went with vintage air. We created custom brackets along with custom hoses and the controls, and we integrated it all to work with the original dash and the original firewall. As a result, we ended up with a classic looking interior with all the modern amenities.